Hey there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites, also our common table. And we're back in the kitchen. We've been at farmers markets and you've come along with us. Thank you so much. We started off at the Kenilworth Farmers Market and we were working with Calvert's Gift Farm with Becky and Jack Gurley, who do an amazing job, and we have some of their beautiful produce that we're going to be working with, and they're people that have been working with Future Harvest for years. They do a phenomenal job teaching young people, mentoring them to become the future farmers of tomorrow, because we need them, otherwise we're not going to be able to eat. So they do a great job, and they work directly with Future Harvest, and we do as well. I have been with Future Harvest and CASA since the beginning, and so it's very, very close to my heart, and we have shared common goals in rebuilding this local food economy. So with that said, let's make believe that you were a CSA member and all of a sudden they dropped off your box. And you're like, okay, so what do I have? Sometimes it makes us a little bit nervous, but it doesn't have to. All right, so when I was over with the girlies, look at this. I think a lot of people might say, what the hotel bill is this? Well, they're actually pea shoots. We also know that during the spring, peas are everywhere. They're lovely, they're delicate, but the shoots themselves are great. And let's say that you got one, and you say, oh, what does this taste like? Tastes like a pea. It really does taste like a pea. So there's so many things that you can do with it, but I generally think, let's keep it kind of simple. You could just take some of this and mix up a little bit of lovely olive oil, some lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and you have a great salad. Or we could do some crazy things that are still easy and fun. Let's try this. So I'm gonna make a pizza. It's gonna be a pea shoot, pepperoni, pesto, pizza pie. And so you can, find your favorite pizza pie recipe, or you can get a pre-made pizza crust, or a number of stores actually have a yeasted pizza dough that you can just buy, and we just push it out. Got a little pizza pan that you use with that. I just push it out. It's kind of rustic. You might have seen when I was at the farmers market at the 32nd Street Farmers Market, some of the hydroponic people make this gorgeous pesto. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this pesto and we're going to spread it out. I mean, you could do a tomato sauce with this, but I think actually this would be a little nicer and it'll work really well with the pea shoots and so forth and so on. Okay, we did that, right? Then, also we were at Charlottetown Farm with her fresh mozzarella. So I'm just going to take some mozzarella and put that around there. And then I also have some grated mozz. Put that like right so there. I might take myself a little bit of cracked black pepper. Put that on there. Then we have some delicious pepperoni. You can go over to Liberty Delight Farms. They make a lovely pepperoni, or you can go to local store or local deli and get your favorite pepperoni. You could also, if you have some prosciutto would be lovely with this. So put all of that together. But right now we're keeping most of this stuff all local. Most of the stuff we've been able to get at the farmers market. Let's put a little bit more here, a little bit more here. So here you go. Have all my delicious, beautiful things put there. Then he's going to go crazy. He's going to take pea shoots and just top the whole pizza with the pea shoots. Boom, boom, boom. Like so. Get a little bit more of that. I'm going to quickly grab a little bit more pepper. And then I'm just going to take a little bit This is a culinary term, a scooch of Dimitri's extra virgin olive oil right there. And I might take just a little bit more of the cheese, depending how much you like or you don't like. And there we have it, an absolutely gorgeous pepperoni pea shoot pizza. I'm gonna drop this in the oven and then we'll be eating it soon.